The first rule of rebuilding yourself is simple. Stop lying to yourself. You already know what's wrong. You know what habits are making you weaker, and you know what work you keep avoiding. The issue is not a lack of information, it's actually a lack of honesty. We all know, every single person knows what they should be doing and what they shouldn't be doing. We all know it, but we keep lying to ourselves because it's just comfortable. And it's very uncomfortable to actually start that project or just take action. And why? Because we keep making it bigger than it is in our head. So stop making it complicated. You don't need the perfect routine. You don't need 20 new habits to become this new person or whatever, to just start with self-improvement, to actually make progress. You don't need 20 new habits to actually make progress. You just need to go out there and start taking action. You just need one clear action for today. That is literally, if you want to become a YouTuber or something or build a brand, literally go out there, start with the first sketch, start with the first idea, just work on that throughout the whole week, and then later on improve on that. If you want to build a brand or become a YouTuber, literally just record one video every single day, just a small one, maybe 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes. Do that every single day and it will become a habit. Stop making it complicated, guys. You already know what to do. You keep pushing it away, but I would advise you to just start that project. It's always a bigger issue in your head than in reality. You don't need the perfect routine to start. You don't need the perfect equipment to start anything. Every single guy who's out there who's actually accomplished just started small. They literally started small. Every single boxer, every single achiever, every single athlete, every single person. Some may have had some help in the beginning, but it doesn't matter. Whatever you want to do, you can actually take action right now, and that is by not creating the perfect routine, not creating 20 new habits or starting 20 new habits. Don't be weird. You just need one clear action today that you can repeat throughout the week, throughout the month. If you can do that, you are actually on the way to make progress, and you will start your self-improvement journey. And that is what we're going to do. We will start. So stop making it complicated and take action right now. Just one small action can make a huge change. So pick one thing daily and let that become a habit. One maybe uncomfortable action every day. Maybe you need to work out and you need to train. Just do 5 push-ups every single day. If you can't do that, do 4. If you can't do that, do 3. If you can't do 3 or 2, you probably have some problems. No, pick one thing that you can do every single day and stick with that. Just stick to it. If you have to train, edit, code, clean, read, or walk, or record a video or anything, just do that simple task every single day. Make it so effortless. Make the environment, create your environment so it becomes a very easy task for you to do. Doing this one simple task every single day will actually prove to you that you're not running away from your problems or running away from that thing that you've always wished to do. And that you can always ask yourself these questions at the start of the day. What is today's hard thing? What is today's hard task that I need to do? Am I choosing comfort or progress? Do I want to stay this basically? Do I want to stay the same and be comfortable, or do I actually want to go out there and change and make progress? And you already know what the answer is. What do I need to do right now? So we need to start tracking our action, guys, instead of our feelings, whether we feel like it or whether we are motivated or not. Some days you will actually feel motivated and you will just do the task immediately. And some days you're going to feel so lazy and so tired, it doesn't matter, because your feelings will always be, they will always be unstable. The only thing that actually matters is what you actually did. Nobody asks you. Have you ever noticed what your family and friends ask you about as soon as you get out of the exam room? It's not, was it hard? Did you feel, no. It's not, did you feel motivated? How did you feel? Did you feel lazy when you studied for that exam? No, it's literally, what did you get? Every single person is just looking for the results. So nobody cares about your feelings, actually. Nobody really cares. So ask yourself these questions. Did I do this one thing that I promised to myself today? Did I keep the promise? What did I actually complete? What did I actually complete or achieve? So we actually need to stop lying to ourselves. We need to pick this one thing that we have to do every single day. Yes, I'm talking about every single day because we need to ingrain it in our system. And we also need to track what we do, not how we feel. And that is how we start rebuilding ourselves, guys.